Today, we are turning Google Sheets into an autonomous AI agent that manages customer support and sends emails completely on autopilot. Here is how it works. On the left, we have our sheet, and on the right, Gmail. Let's paste our first customer message into row 2 with this email. Hi, my order number 102 hasn't arrived yet. Can you give me an update? Watch what happens. Gemini analyzes the message, drafts the reply, and sets the status. Now, let's check the inbox to confirm the email was sent. And as you can see, the email has been received instantly with the exact response generated by Gemini. Look at the reply Gemini generated and sent, "Hi." For the latest update on your order number 102, please refer to the tracking link found in your shipping confirmation email. Professional and accurate. Now, let's test a case that clearly violates our rules. We'll paste a request for a refund on an item bought 3 months ago. I bought this item 3 months ago and I want a full refund immediately. Look at what Gemini does. It detects that a refund request after 3 months exceeds our policy. It flags the status as pending human review and creates a draft note, without sending any email automatically. So, how does Gemini know when to send an email automatically and when to hand it over to a human? It all comes down to our company policy. As you can see, we define 3 simple rules: 7-day exchanges, 48-hour photo proof for damaged items, and order tracking. If a request fits these rules, Gemini responds. If not, it escalates. Now, let's look under the hood to see how this is built. Inside Google Sheets, we simply open App Script, where a lightweight script connects our sheet directly to Gemini's API. Don't worry, you don't need to write a single line of code from scratch. I've made the entire script available on GitHub. You'll find the link in the description below. Just copy it and paste it directly into Google Apps Script. Once pasted, all you need to do is paste your free Gemini API key and adjust the company rules to match your own business. That's it. First, you'll need a free Gemini API key. Just head over to Google AI Studio, click Create API Key, copy it, and you're good to go. Now, back in App Script, paste your API key at the top. If we look at the code, this is where we define our prompt and inject our company rules. This ensures Gemini strictly follows your policy every single time. Customize these rules to fit your business, and that's it. But wait, how do we make this run fully on autopilot? We just need to set up a trigger. Click on the clock icon on the left and click Add Trigger. Select our main function, Process Customer Message. Set the event source to From Spreadsheet and the event type to On Edit. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your AI agent is officially live and working for you in the background. With this setup, you now have a fully automated customer support agent running inside a simple spreadsheet, saving you hours of work every week. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI automation guides, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.